Hi beautifuls, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be trying to do some JIRAI KEI makeup. So I've been wanting to try JIRAI KEI makeup for a while because I think it is so adorable and so beautiful. It reminds me a lot of gyaru makeup, so I thought why not try it out today. So I've got some colorful hair on and I'm ready to try some JIRAI KEI makeup. So I have this reference photo on the screen right here. I just found it on Pinterest. This style is super cute, so let's see if we can get something similar to this. Now I'm ready to start this makeup, so if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and jump right in. Now the first thing we are going to do for this makeup look is obviously the eyebrows. In all the example pictures I found, the eyebrows are very droopy, very arched downward, so I'm going to try and recreate that for today's JIRAI KEI makeup look. So first I gelled down my eyebrows with some of this eyebrow gel, and I'm just going to go ahead and use this eyebrow pen and see what I can do. I'm just going to do a downward shape like this, then I will see how this turns out when I'm done. Okay, so I did the general shape of the eyebrows off camera. I'm just kind of blending around it with some concealer and just cleaning up the edges. I think I have some nice droopy looking eyebrows. I think it's looking pretty good so far. Okay, here are the finished eyebrows. I want to work on the rest of the face, so let's go ahead and do the face. First though, I am going to prep my eyelids for a little bit of eyeshadow, so I'm just going to use some concealer, put some on my eyelids just like this, and then blend this out. Now I'm going to make my eyelids matte with some powder. Put some powder over my eyelids just like this. Now for this actual eyeshadow look in JIRAI KEI makeup, there's a lot of pink elements. I'm going to use this Hello Kitty eyeshadow palette. There are a lot of really cute colors, but I think I want to mainly focus on using these right here for the eyeshadow look. So I think I'm just going to go in with this shade Princess right here. Maybe mix it a little bit with this one right here. And I'm just going to do some pink eyeshadow. Now I'm not going to use as much eyeshadow as I normally would, but I'm just going to put a good amount on my lid just to make them pop a little bit more. Alright guys, so I did the majority of the eyeshadow and I went ahead and I added this darker shade. It's this color right here, so I'm just going to use that on the outer corner just to add a little bit of a ombre effect. Okay, so I did some soft eyeshadow. I think it's going to go perfect with this look. Now I actually want to work on the face. And first I'm going to use this e.l.f. Hydrate Primer on my face. Some primer around my face like this. Now my face is all sticky, like literally guys, look at that. Now I'm gonna use this Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I definitely want more of a matte look today, so that's why I'm gonna be using this. I'm just going to apply this around my face. After that, I'm going to blend it out with a flat brush like this. Alright guys, now I have a good layer of foundation on my face. I am just blending it out with this sponge now. I just dropped it. So I'm just using this to blend out any of the streaks that might have came while I was using this brush. And next guys, for this JIRAI KEI makeup, I think I want to focus on the concealer. So I'm going to use this Super Stay Maybelline concealer. Instead of doing my usual concealer on the chin and on the forehead, I think I'm just going to stick to the nose and underneath the eyes. So let me go ahead and start with this first. So I just did some concealer on my nose like this. I think for the nose contour, I do want to make it more of a button nose contour. Blend this out a little bit. And now I'm just doing my nose contour. I kind of did a button nose contour, but now I'm going to blend it out with my sponge again. Here is my nose contour after I blended it out, and I think it's looking pretty cute so far. The nose contour is done. Go ahead and add some concealer underneath my eyes. Add some right here, kind of like I normally do. Just a little bit. I feel like this look doesn't really need much. Using my same sponge, I'm just going to blend out the concealer. If you guys know me, you know I love a bright under eye, so this step is basically essential. Now guys, I'm going to go ahead and set my entire face. NYX HD powder and just this translucent powder, just like this guys. And I'm going to do the same for over here as well. I say this all the time, but I love matte makeup guys. And now before I work on the eyes, I want to go ahead and do some highlighter on the nose. So I just have this gel eyeliner that I use, and I'm just going to use that. So I just put it where I have the concealer on my nose, and this nose contour is looking amazing guys. I'm going to put this photo up on the screen, and I found this photo on Pinterest, and this right here is a step-by-step guide on how to do JIRAI KEI eye makeup, and I'm going to be following it to a T because I really don't want to mess up this eye look because I feel like my base is looking really great today. So if you've seen any JIRAI KEI makeup, there is always pink or sort of like red underneath the eye, and I think I'm going to do that too. So I'm going to try and find a really vibrant pink that I can use underneath my eyes. I have this eyeshadow palette. It has some really nice vibrant pinks on here, so let's see how this works. So I'm just going to put some pink underneath my eye like this. I don't want to put too much, be a little bit light-handed. That's looking pretty accurate to how the JIRAI KEI girlies have their pink underneath their eyes. Having this pink underneath my eyes is really new for me, but I think it looks pretty cute anyways. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use some eyeliner, this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. Kind of just have a wing like that. I make this wing a little thicker. All right, so I made this wing a little bit thicker. Okay, now I'm doing the eyeliner for this eye. Oh my gosh, guys, this is looking super cute. I want to go ahead and do a mini droop along this line right here. Okay, here is a close-up on how the eyes are looking pretty good so far. I'm actually gonna go in with my white eyeliner, a little bit of white right here. That makes it look super cute, guys. What do you guys think? So far, I'm loving how this is turning out, guys. I wanna go ahead and draw on some lashes, bottom down here. Here are the eyes, guys. Oh my gosh, it's super cute. Off camera, I went ahead and I made the eyeliner a little bit longer. I'm just gonna add some fake moles. I want to also add some egg yolk sauce. I just have this little dark pencil. I want to go ahead and add some blush. So I'm going to use this NYX Caramel blush and a little bit on my chin, some on the tip of my nose and the apples of the cheeks. I'm going to use these lashes. They are super cute and they are perfect for today's look. Handling these lashes with long nails should genuinely be considered a sport because this is so hard. Oh guys, look at the eye makeup. This is super cute. But now guys, we have to work on the lips. I'm going to do a pop of pink on my lips. I'm just going to use this pink lip plumper. And guys, with this makeup is complete. Guys, what do you think of this makeup? I knew I had to try JIRAI KEI makeup because it is so beautiful and I'm so glad I did because this makeup look is so cute. But yeah guys, let me know down in the comments what you think of this makeup look because I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to let me know other makeup styles I should try in the comments below and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye everybody.